When you're on a holiday,
That's better. You can see.
say.
Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video is about taking a creative retreat, and that's exactly what I've done. I've gone to the north of Ireland to stay in the Wonderly Wagon, and this is a breakaway from my usual routine. It's a breakaway from social media and videos and all the kind of normal things that kind of distract me quite a bit in my day-to-day life. And I think I really felt like I wasn't going anywhere with my art, and I really wanted just some time off just to kind of draw and paint and make art. And today I've drawn this morning, as well as a lot more. This is just one bit of a lot of work. It's a little drawing up on the mountains of some of the trees and the different things that you see. And the reason I'm talking to you about this is because as creatives it can be easy to get distracted by all the stuff that goes on every day in our world. And it's nice just to kind of say, you know what, I'm taking these 2 days just to make art and just to focus on my creativity and focus on that. And you know, artists have been doing it for hundreds of years, so I thought I'd give it a go, and I found it really good, and I could highly recommend it. Anyway, that's all I wanted to say on that. I'm here having a little break. I'm sure this break will be over by the time you see this video, because I will have to go back down from the mountain to be able to put the video on YouTube. But that's all for now. I'll show you lots of clips from the trip, of the wagon and everything, but yeah, I just wanted to tell you what I've been doing this week. That's it. Bye for now.
And in the side, we'll be playing, having fun, and it makes me feel so fine. I can't control my brain. Hep, hep. When you're on a golden sea, you don't need no memory, just a place to call your own as we drift into the zone. On an island in the sun, we'll be playing, having fun, and it makes me feel so fine. I can't control my brain. We'll run away together, we'll spend some time forever. We'll never feel bad anymore. Hep, hep. Hep, hep. On an island in the sun,